Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a resume in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So simply open the Microsoft Word. Now first I'm going to design the page by adding some shapes. So simply click on Insert tab and here you can see the option of shapes. Click on shapes. Now select this shape. Now change the color. Again click on Insert tab. Click on shapes. Now here select this shape. Now change the color of this shape. Now insert the picture for your CV. So click on Insert tab and here you can see the option of pictures. Click on pictures. Now select the picture. Now to adjust the picture, you have to simply click on wrap text and select here in front of text. Now crop the picture. Now crop the picture in round shape and set it. Click on Insert tab. Now select a shape, line tool. Now here we have to give your personal information. For example, your name. Now enter your contact details. Your email address. Add your address, your location. Click on Insert tab. Click on Shapes. Select a line tool. Now you can type about skills. Here you can type about education. And here you can type about experience. And here you can type about achievements. And here you can type about short courses. So here you can see we have created resume. You can also create a resume by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.